Okay, I do have something on here that I'm going to refer to as the Tinlin mode. Okay, if you want to start this up and you don't like seeing all these things down here, you can hit these 3 dots right there. It pulls up this menu. You can go through and uncheck every single vent mode you're never going to use. Hit OK, and it will show only the ones that we have, only the ones that we have defaulted on here, which is volume control ventilation and this pressure control volume guaranteed mode, which is our default here. When you turn the vent on, it will default to, like I said, PCVVG, which is a volume mode that delivers breaths like a pressure mode, okay? So that is the Tinlin mode, is to turn off all the different gas, or all the different options that you can have, and just have a couple of different settings in there. If I also want to add CPAP pressure support, I can do that from here as well.